Hey there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies, and I want to talk today about the My Philosophy page. This is a page I'd love to see on more websites. We all know about the home page, your contact page, the about page, where you have your bio, the products and services page, etc. But the My Philosophy page would be a page where you lay out your core point of view, your core philosophy in a distilled way. And if you're a service provider, this is going to be your philosophy about the journey that people, your ideal clients, need to make from island A to island B, from the problem they have to the result they're craving. If you're a product maker, it's going to be your philosophy about the products that you make. This I almost never see, but when I see it, it's immensely compelling. It's one of the most, the birds are, it's one of the most interesting pages there is on the website. And this can take a lot of forms, and I'm hoping to collect more examples over time. But the simple exercise is you just share what you believe. And these birds are real loud, eh? You share, here's what I believe about this journey from island A to B. Here's what I believe about this product or my industry. Here's what I believe about the nature of the problem. Here's our opinion. And I would suggest leading with your most controversial opinions, but you're trying to be just as clear and as lucid as possible so that when somebody reads it, they have a chance to either resonate with your point of view or not. It's a great filtering tool, because if you put out your philosophy really candidly and somebody says, no, I don't agree with that, it's perfect, because they were going to find that out anyways, but just further down the road when you both wasted more time. But if they read it and they say, oh my God, I love everything this person's writing, that's an immense credibility builder. That may be one of the most powerful credibility builders there is that they trust your point of view and your perspective. So consider actually setting aside a page on your website where you say, this is my philosophy, this is my take on things, this is my opinion, my perspective, this is the premise that my work is based on. Because it's so often completely absent from a website. It's not on the homepage usually, certainly not in the bio, though it could be. It's not in the products or services page, it's not in the contact page, not anywhere. And yet this is one of the things that once people decide it's relevant, like, oh, you sell the kind of product I want to buy, or, you help people solve that problem that I have. Once that relevance has been established, the very next thing that has to be established is credibility. And the major part of credibility is going to be your point of view. So I've written a book about this, point of view marketing, you can check out. There's tons of videos on YouTube. I have a few playlists around that. But if you go to marketingforhippies.com/steps, you'll see a page. And I think it's step 3 is point of view. And all my point of view resources are linked to there. So that's it. Brief idea. If you do, if you've seen one or if you create one, please put a link below. You have my permission to shamelessly plug. Put a link below. I'd love to read it. I'd love to see it, because I do want to start collecting these. And if you go to my website, you'll see a version of it there. I can't remember what it's called right now. But you'll see a version of it, as I continue to experiment with it. And I'd love to see your experiments and what you've come across. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to everyone who shares these videos. I think that's the main way that people hear about them, unless they're on my email list. It's why the following keeps growing here, number of subscribers keeps growing. If you haven't and you'd like to, there's the red subscribe button and the bell icon, you can hit that. Marketingforhippies.com is my website. Feel free to check it out. There's a ton of free stuff there. That's all for now.